Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Vivo V40 is here to wow if you enjoy strong smartphones without going above budget. Imagine a phone that is affordable while combining power, style, and cutting edge photography. We'll examine the Vivo V40 in detail today to see if it's really worth the money. Is this low end gadget a covert flagship killer? Let's see. This review is going to blow your mind, so stay tuned. The Vivo V40 exudes luxury in every way. It has a beautiful glass back that feels smooth in your hands and a sleek, slender body. You can use it with confidence because of its IP68 designation, which indicates that it is resistant to both water and dust. The high point? The stunning 6.78-inch FHD AMOLED screen of the Vivo V40 has a buttery smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz. It feels like pure enchantment to browse through TikTok or watch Netflix with its vibrant hues and flawless blacks. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, which is a beast for mid-range devices, powers the Vivo V40. This phone is incredibly efficient at multitasking, gaming, and editing. Who loves to lag in Call of Duty? For gamers, the Ultra Game mode guarantees fluid gaming with less heating. This is the point at which the Vivo V40 excels. A 50MP primary sensor with Zeiss optics is part of the triple camera arrangement, which ensures that every picture is gorgeous and expertly taken. Pictures of people in portraits? Just amazing. The Zeiss Aura light improves low light photography by taking bright, clear nighttime pictures. The 50MP front camera is your new best buddy if you enjoy taking selfies and vlogging. Natural skin tones, flawless lighting, and crisp details will all be present in your selfies. With extensive use, this phone's 500 mAh battery easily lasts more than a day. Additionally, the 80W flash charge can recharge your device to 50% capacity in as little as 15 minutes. For those on the run, that's quite quick. So, is the Vivo V40 a good investment? Of course. At this price range, it's the ideal combination of power, style, and an amazing camera configuration. The V40 is made to look good, whether you're a photographer, gamer, or someone who wants a phone that can do all kinds of tasks. Although it lacks some of the flagship features, it is incredibly powerful for the price. Please subscribe for more incredible stuff. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Vivo V40 and give this review a thumbs up if you liked it. Stay amazing and never stop pursuing your tech goals until the next time.